All right, so sixth grade, this is me showing you how to make bar graphs and circle graphs. There might be other ways. I know I've done Keynote before, but I just played around with this and it's super easy. So that's the way I'm going to show you. If you have another program you want to use, feel free, but this is a super simple one. So first, you're going to find your pages and you're going to go there. Now let me get out of here so you can see where I started. So at first I went over here to the right hand corner and I clicked the plus sign. And I clicked, it doesn't matter which one probably, but I clicked blank landscape. And so once you're here, you're going, and feel free to pause as you need along the way if I'm going too fast. You're going to click the plus sign. And from here, you are going to click, see where it looks like this little bar graph, you're going to click that. And they have, as you can see, a bar graph. This is double stacked bar graph. That's like if you're comparing girls and boys, which we're not doing. But we have, you can do either a horizontal bar graph like this one, or a vertical bar graph like this one, or you can use a circle graph. So I'll show you a couple of them. So let's say I wanted to do a circle graph. What's really easy about this is that it's super simple. You would go and click Edit Data, and you would click in, you would type in your categories here. So like, let's say my classic example I kept doing was favorite color. So if this was red and this is blue, green, and yellow. Now let's say I only have 4 categories, so I can just delete this, delete it, delete, and delete. So I'm gonna leave this region 1 alone. But so like, let's say 52 people said red and 23 people said blue and 10 people said green and 9 people said yellow. Now, let's say 100 people did not answer your survey. That's okay. If you're adding those up, you can see I purposely did not equal 100 so you could see what happens. They're going to convert it automatically to percentages for you. So that's all I do. And I click done and it does it for me. That's it. So now what you have to go do though is that you have to go and label either if you want to write on top of it or if you want to go, you know what I should have done is I should have gone and changed like my color to my category. But anyways, so like, let me do another one. Let's delete it and just do another one. So again, let's edit data. And let's say this question was, what is your favorite month of the year? And they only gave these topics. So let's say 16 people said April. Now, so your categories right here, you would have to change these. And I'm just making up random numbers. So when you click that, it will automatically tell you in this legend what each one of your colors means. It looked confusing with mine since my topic was talking about favorite color. It just was a little, might have been confusing. So what you do want to go up here though, is add, if I can figure out how to do that, I'm sure you guys do, is to add a text box up here with your title in it. And so it would be like, what is your favorite month of the year? So you're going to want to either write that in there or I'm trying to see if I can figure out the way to do that. I'm sure you guys can. You're better at this stuff than me. But anyways, I thought it would be there. guess I could write neatly and write favorite month. This is really messy. I would hope yours is better than this. Favorite month. Hopefully you can figure out a way to type it because I don't like the way that I just did that. But anyways, okay, so that's a circle graph. Now let's say you want to do a bar graph instead. So I'll delete all this. And again, you go up to the plus sign. You're going to click the bar graph looking picture. And you'll click whichever bar graph you want. And again, you go to edit data. Now here, let me go back for a second. Here, actually, this is not the right one because this is, I believe, okay, I don't want, okay, so when I click this, it's giving me 2 categories or comparing whatever, maybe boys and girls, who likes which month. We don't want that. So we're going to go and click edit data. And instead of region 2, get rid of that region 2. You don't need it. So I'm just going to go and delete each region. Again, so leave that region 1 alone. That doesn't matter. You're going to type in your categories right here. So red, blue. Make yours nice and neat. I'm typing fast. I'm doing one hand recording, one hand typing. So that's it. I type in my different amounts. And it does it for you. And I'm just coming up with my own random numbers. You would type in your own numbers. Press done. And there it is. So there's ways where you can go and change the different colors on here. You can keep them all the same color. And they go and take care of the scale for you. And then again, you would put the title there. And that's it. Very simple. All right. Good luck.